Hello, this is Cyber Dragon. Today I'm going to talk about Lucky Money money making app. So far, I played it 100% legit. Already redeemed some coupons for some items I want to buy on their site. All you gotta do is just enter your information. They'll direct you to the website, so you just enter the coupon code, and it's available on mobile devices, on tablet, phone, and the laptop. Okay, the way the game is, they offer scratches, like a lottery scratching, and it'll tell you how many points or money you earn. It'll show right here. Make it a little big. Cash right here, points. You can turn both of these into cash or gift cards of your choice or other coupons if you want to buy something. Let's say something costs $100, like a Nike shoe, $100. They'll give you about 30% off, $70. That's a good deal because it's a big brand. And they also have Lucky Spin, which is pretty much like a slot machine kind of spin. And then you'll earn cash, points, raffle tickets. Every day you'll have an egg. When you hit 50 scratches, you have to do 50 scratches in order to unlock the egg. And you'll earn cash or coins. And sometimes they give you raffle tickets, so you can get either of those three. And they have a daily lotto. You just pick a total of 6 numbers, and then the contest is every 24 hours. So depend on what time you start the game, because that's how their algorithm works. They have slot machines, and you get, if you be in the top 10, you'll be like earning like $10 cash, and there's a leaderboard up there for you. Okay. It's available to download on the Google Play Store and the Apple Play Store. It's a 4.5 out of 5-star review. People has tried this game for a while. They say you make big money first. The advertising is not a lot. It's like every 4 times you play, one advertisement. And you can enter raffle tickets. They have a monthly raffle ticket, a daily raffle ticket, and it ranges from, for the daily ones, range from $1 to about 100 bucks, $500. And the monthly one is $1,000. Okay, let's see. They say a 5-star review, but maybe people just describe the game as good, and they're just hoping for the chance to withdraw, which they pretty much will pay you. The paying part just takes time. Just play 5 to 15 minutes a day. It's just like a good side income, relaxation for you guys. There's over 10 million users installed the app already. Okay, let's see. The company's in Hong Kong. Contact them only through email. But they have a Facebook account. You can Facebook page group. You can contact them. If you like this video, hit the like button. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. And comment down below what you think about the video. And share this video to all people. It is 100% legit. They really do. And so other people can make money online. See you guys next time. Goodbye.